Welcome to DJ TV.
Tinubu don provoke come out to come talk about wetin sup for this past 2023 general election.
My correct people, we greet una. Welcome una to DJ TV, una WhatsApp channel wey dey sama una with ogbonge updates, breaking news, updated updates. So abeg my people, if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una rush now, make una go subscribe o, and also turn on that notification bell so that anytime we be like say we drop any update like this, una go dey notified. Our Facebook page, my people, make una follow us and make una dey like. Una do well. Anyway, my people, make we quickly run enter the tori and update we will carry come for una like this.
Yes, so my people, update dey like this o. President Tinubu don come outside. He don come talk concerning wetin sup for this past general election so wey happen for this 2023 like this o. My people, no be small thing o. This man dey talk, he dey vex. The provocation sef e dey for how he dey talk for this his speech so. He talk say this past general election so wey be say don drag him enter court. He say na one of the most free and fairest elections so far in the history of Naija. My people, una go look this video, una need to see am make una hear wetin una presido dey talk for inside. Make una watch.
The party is better and must be nurtured from the ward level upwards. It is our responsibility to promote unity, stability, and love among ourselves. And we must deliver on our promises. I brought before you the renewed hope to fulfill your dreams and the dreams of our founding fathers. To be sure that Nigeria remains the focal point of our foreign and domestic policy. You are the makers of the party, the drivers. When we have all other passengers behind this bus, the driver must not fall asleep and the co-driver must be on the alert. And the brake must be working and working well. Party loyalty becomes more important. Some people baited us. But we honor their wishes, but we coasted to victory. It is an honorable thing. Yes, we are facing challenges in court, and I say this is one of the most free and fair elections in the history of Nigeria. To us, congratulations. And as a Democrat, those who cannot accept the result of a free and fair election does not deserve, they do not deserve the joy of victory. Yes, there are governance to embark on, We are working on it. It's a wheel that must be oiled, greased properly. I've submitted ministerial list to the Senate for screening and approval. We are in the process of establishing fully the government of the people, by the people, and for the people. I could see so many of my friends here. You cannot see me as you wish. Pardon me. It's the assignments you gave me. You labor for it. You shouted for it. You fought for it at local level, to the state level, to the national level. So the reward you get, your friend will be absent for a while. You can't see him as often. But with you, God Almighty, you got me here. Nigeria is going through, I don't want to go through the question of subsidy any longer. I've made a broadcast consistent with that principle and belief. And the acting national chairman addressed the issue. So it's a matter that we must face and face squarely to really re-engineer the economic and politics of this country. We must find a way to satisfy the yearnings of the poor. And all programs that we rolled out must work for the people and not punish the people. Well, to our international community, I sent a message to Europe and America yesterday. What are you saying about our trade partnership with any other country? If we are hungry and poor, I ask, how can you undo a mad dog and prevent a barking dog from eating for food from a poisoned plate of your enemy? So, give me the help where I'm hungry. The continent depends on Nigeria. And we have to show that leadership. But not at the expense of our joy, happiness, and good health. There's always an opportunity in any adversity if you look at it carefully. The party is in your hand. But let's redirect this party. Let's show the rest of the country that we are a party united for a purpose, and that purpose development, progress, and posterity will not forgive us if we veer off that path. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished leaders, it is my honor once again to address you. Let's take the few items that we have on the agenda, devolve power to NWC to act on our behalf after consultations, to fill other vacancies. But we must do what we can today. I have some leaders within and outside Nigeria waiting for me in the office. I want to cut short. I would have loved to enjoy the time with you, but I want to cut short my presence here so I can go back to work. I want to say thank you very much once again.
Yes, so my people, na the update wey we carry come for now like this be this. So now here wetin una president talk o, na here wetin he talk concerning the election o, and the issue wey dey happen for Naija since so. My people, how una reason so much? How una see am? Make una drop una comment o, and make una no forget to like and share. Una do well. See you all in the next video. DJ